Prova, prova, prova. Sì, sì, grazie. Sì, sì. Lì, Okay. Okay, so welcome everybody again. This is Carlo from R&D department, and this is Sandro, actually the head of our academy, the new service introduced last year by Eterno Ivica. So today, this morning we explained about GRF system that you can see next to Sandro, and now we are going to explain to you how to install the Woodeck system. Actually, Woodeck system was the second system introduced by Eterno Ivica after pedestal. Before it was pedestal alone, then we introduced the aluminum joists. And this has a lot of great features that we will see now during the installation. And now Sandro will start laying down the substructures. He has already fixed the joist on the head of the pedestal. This is for not losing too much time now. But trust me, it's very fast. In my hand, I have a REVERSUS pedestal. This is the last pedestal that was proposed by Eterno Ivica and patented. The patented feature is actually the head. The head of this special pedestal can be tilted. So you can use for ceramic slabs, but in this case, you can just tilt, and you will use also for aluminum joists. So Sandro now is actually using a trick. He has already pre-cut the aluminum joists in small pieces. The head of the pedestal is a crisscross head. So with the small pieces, Sandro is keeping the distance between the joists fixed. In this way, you don't have to lose time and measure. You just use the small pieces, and everything will come alone during the installation. We also have a normal head, so not crisscross. In that case, you only install joists in one direction. In this case, crisscross head, you install joists in two directions. Of course, installing in two directions is better. Is also better because you increase the mechanical strength of the system. Because you not only have joists in one direction, you have two directions, and that increases a lot the strength. Joists, also we have a news because we had a standard joist initially, and then we introduced a joist for rapid outflow. This is a rapid outflow. You can see, can you go more on the top, please? You can see there is a hole on the joist. So this is a hole for rainwater. So before, rainwater will stay on the joist, and maybe, you know, it could freeze, it could have problems. Now it's just going down. So that is a good feature that we are now proposing more and more often. This joist actually is not only for rapid outflow of rainwater, is also the new Eco version. Eco version has the same size, 6 by 2.5 centimeter. But is also, you see, in black color. We made it a little less thick. So it's also very strong, but, you know, it's cheaper. That can help in many, many projects. And you can have also in the black version. Standard, only aluminum color. Woodeck system is interesting because it's very versatile. Actually, today we are in Cersaie, so we propose with ceramic tiles. But a Woodeck system, also the name can give you a hint. Woodeck was born also for wood planks, and actually also to install VPC planks. You can use metal clips, we are not showing today, but for example, I am working now on a Woodeck system for wood planks. So this is real wood planks, metal clips, and you make very nice wood raised floor. We are in Cersaie. Cersaie, of course, is introducing the latest news about ceramics, so we also show Woodeck with ceramic tiles. Also, Woodeck system works with special clips, metal clips. You know, Eterno Ivica has a wide range of accessories to help you during the installation. For example, in this case, these are the clips for making the vertical enclosure of the raised floor. All the situations where you need to to install a vertical slab, a vertical tile, to complete the floor, also on the side. As you can see, you just fix the clip to the pedestal and insert the ceramic tile. Sandro has already pre-cut the tile, as you can see. You have to follow. Can you show? Puoi mostrare l'angolo, la slab, più da lontano. As you can see, there is a angle. So Sandro pre-cut the tile to follow the slope of the basement. In this way, as you know, Eterno Ivica allows you to recover the slope of the basement. So maybe we have a 3–4% of slope. With pedestal system, you will always be able to make a flat floor. So in the case you have furniture or any outdoor living furniture or items, you will always have them on a flat surface. So now we can talk also about the spacer that Sandro is having on his hand now. This is a cross spacer. Cross spacer is used to keep the distance between the slabs. It's a 4mm cross spacer. This is important because leaving a gap between the ceramic tiles allows you to do drainage of water. So Sandro is removing the tabs that, of course, we don't need for the installation, and is installing the first ceramic tile. This is the perimeter ceramic tile. And as you can see with the metal clips, from the bottom and from the head, you can keep the side enclosure very tight. So in the end, the job comes out very neat, very elegant. Sandro is using a vacuum item. This is for helping you to lift the tiles. Eterno Ivica is also proposing a vacuum item. You just talk with our commercial people, they will introduce to you. So now we go on with the second tile. As you can see, Sandro is moving the spacer, the cross spacers, to fix the different slabs. Of course, a system with aluminum joist, I was telling you, can reach much higher resistance to weights. You can allow much higher weights because aluminum joist, I think, can carry more than 2,500 kilograms. They don't bend easily. They're very strong. Even eco joist, even if it's less thick, is still very strong. Besides being much more strong, the system has the other feature, as I was telling you, Woodeck is very versatile, of allowing you to install different size of planks. So, of course, GRF, in this case, can be the best, but also with aluminum joist, you can do multi-format installation. So you have different size of tiles, you can play with the distance of the joist. It can be 30, 35, 40, up to 50, up to 60 centimeter, depending on the tile size, to reach the final design that you had in your mind at the beginning. So again, now you can see Sandro using small pieces of joist. You pre-cut small pieces of joist. It can be very helpful. As you can see, can be very helpful to keep the distance between the joists without losing too much time measuring them. On the top of the joist, we talk about this joist, which is the latest one, the best one, I will say, for rapid outflow of rainwater. You can see also, you cannot see very well, but there are PVC gaskets on the top. You can see there are PVC pieces on the top. That is very helpful too, because you know this material can sometimes slip. with this PVC gasket that you see on the top of the joist, you have a double function. Anti-slip, so the tile will always remain in position. And you always have the anti-noise, because you know a plastic element in between the joist, which is aluminum, and the tile, which is a hard material, it will help to reduce the noise. Actually, the noise when you walk on it. We are happy also to announce that we performed a few months ago new acoustic tests, so now we can provide also certified tests from laboratory in Italy. To give you a value, you can talk then with acoustic technicians, but acoustic is another topic that Eterno Ivica is pushing a lot, because you know, the system grows, you want also to talk about topic that maybe at the beginning was not important, but today, acoustic, for example, is becoming more and more important always. So also Eterno Ivica is proposing now real certification of each system, pedestal, Woodeck, that you see here, and GRF. So Sandro now is laying down the last joist. You can see the pedestal changed, because now we are reaching a higher height. So we need a higher pedestal to have in the end a floor which is at the same height, perfectly flat. So we use the SRT pedestal, model 2 and model 3. And I repeat again, with a rapid outflow of rainwater joist, eco version in black color. So as you can see, cross spacers are really helpful when it comes to lay down different size of tiles. This is multi-format installation. The cross spacers are easy breakable. Any tabs on the pedestal of Eterno Ivica or any accessory is easy breakable. We don't want installers to lose too much time using tools. Sometimes using your hands can be the quickest solution. So we can see Sandro laying the last ceramic tile. And you can see now, finally, the floor has reached its level. So, we are happy to introduce to you Woodeck system. Me and Sandro from R&D department, from Academy, but any colleague from Eterno Ivica is available for you until Friday evening here at Cersaie. And, you know, by emails, just contact us and we will try to answer your question. Thank you very much. Bene. Bravo Sandro. Sandro, te puoi stare là, te l'ho detto. Te stai là. Posto. Grazie.